my back. What? Breaking news, okay? There's a blizzard coming our way. Everyone, get inside before you freeze to death. Okay? If there's any kids playing outside, or any adults watching them play outside, come inside now, or forever hold your peace. Blizzard! I gotta get Jeffy and Junior. And Chef Pee-Pee. Okay, I need to get them before this blizzard comes. Oh man, it's already starting to snow bad. I gotta get them quick. Jeffy, Junior! Oh my god, dude, there's so much snow! I know! I'm having such a hard time out here, Jeffy. Me too, Junior. You know what we should do? Look, Jeffy, we should have a snow fort. That sounds like an amazing idea. Oh my god, that'd be so fun. Yeah, I know. We should get started. Guys, you need to come inside. Wait, why? Why do we need to come inside? There's a blizzard coming. What's a blizzard? I think it's like an ice cream or something. It's a Dairy Queen. No. Oh, okay. Daddy, I don't want a Dairy Queen. Thank you. No, that's not it. A really bad snowstorm is coming. A snowstorm? That sounds like fun, Junior. I know. We could be like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. No, it's dangerous. Daddy, how's a snowstorm dangerous? Snow's not dangerous. Yeah, when there's a lot of it is. You know, it's coming already. Yeah? It's all right. Guys, come on. It's getting bad. Do we really have to? Yeah, we have to. Come on. Dang, am I serious? Now they come inside and we got a storm blizzard. Of course. Look how bad it's getting. It's getting really dark. Okay, but a blizzard's on show. Pee-Pee, I want to be inside of it. Yeah, it's real funny if you want to die. How would I die myself? Basically freeze to death, get covered in snow and can't get out. Basically getting buried alive. I guess so, but what about my snow days, Daddy? Based on the looks of it, you're going to have a few more snow days. Guess you're right. I can go outside tomorrow. Yeah, you can still play inside today. It's still your day off. Guess so.
Thank you.